The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA Ogun State Command, organized the walk to mark the United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Trafficking. Targeting high-risk areas in Abeokuta, such as Omida, Mansheke and Okelewo area of the Abeokuta metropolis. Wife of Ogun State Governor Abiodun, while addressing the team, says stakeholders must be resolute in combating drug addiction and trafficking and encouraged the public to play an active role in preventing drug abuse in their various communities.
Thank you for all of us that are assembled here, the market women, the people in the neighborhood. We're here to walk in recognition of today, which is the United Nations International Day Against Drug Abuse and Use and Illicit Drug Trafficking. As is obvious, drug trafficking has become very, very prevalent amongst us, especially amongst our youth, and they are now beginning to have access to things that we ordinarily would not think will cause them to abuse abuse drugs. So it is very, very important for us as parents to be close to our children so that we can observe them, so that if there are any changes that we see, we can know how to address them and address them on time.
The team, led by the Ogun State Commandant of NDLEA, Tijani Rabe, thereafter engaged market men and women and some residents on the dangers of drug abuse and trafficking. The NDLEA boss notes that the agency will not relent in its efforts at achieving zero drug abuse and eradication, especially amongst minors.
So these are the issues we met on ground. But I show that we are determined that we are going to make a difference. Ogun State in the nearest future will not be the same. I personally assumed office. I feel that it is a challenge that I am posted here to face this enormous task. Mostly the boys or the children you find, the juveniles involved in manufacture of some of these drugs. Majority of them are out of school. I have a record, not participation, organization of sensitization campaign.
The United Nations General Assembly established International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking in 1987 to strengthen global action and cooperation towards a society free of drug abuse. In Abeokuta, Consola Ojelade, NT News.